hear it soon.
We should have already heard it. Yeah, we should have heard it by now. Oh wow! Holy!
Wow.
Look at that. That's nuts.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Spot.
Okay, quick.
Really quick pictures. Go, go, go.
Really fast, guys.
I'm gonna just stay here because I mean I can see it fine.
Go.
One less person to get in.
That's right.
Yep, that's fine, man. Thanks for getting a lot of that. I missed it. It's kind of hard to shoot from the right side. All right. Did not disappoint.
Rain foot.
Here, take a look. Hurry up.
Hey guys.
It's actually touching down there. It doesn't look like it, but it is down at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good sized tornado, dude. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's very windy, buddy. What do you think, Rye? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Bye.
Okay, loaded. Let's go.
Keep moving.
Moving.
That's beautiful, Paul.
That's really awesome. Shit, I swear I was on a motorcycle.
It's like it's re-intensifying too, it looks like.
No, it's definitely.
All right, cut over to the right and to the north.
Yeah, there's a possible
get in.
there's a possible second rope to the north.
Oh,
Yeah, I see it.
Here, let me zoom out, folks. Maybe it isn't too much to ask for twin tornadoes.
That's what I said, man.
Maybe it's not. I don't think so.
Ugh.
It's never too much to ask. It's just,
No,
nature does whatever.
Tail gunners, keep an eye on it.
It's kind of rain wrapped in the van too. It's kind of dirty.
There's a second one on the right.
There's a second one.
Oh, we get twins.
I think it's occluding. It's probably recycling.
Yeah, the left one is getting less prominent, but the one on the right's getting bigger.
Twins.
Wow.
That is beautiful.
We need to take pictures of this.
Oh It could happen, but it's rare because you'd have to have like maybe a second storm.
Yeah, probably.
What the hell?
Wow, I've heard of twin torpedoes. Not this. That's fucking cool.
The second one's trying to weaken. This is
New one's coming out.
yeah,
New
new
one's
one.
becoming more prominent.
Yes.
The old one's roping.
Yeah.
The old one's roping out.
Old one's roping
it's
out.
too far away from its parent from its parent mezzo. Oh, that's so cool. Got a rock.
One dies, another is born.
Yeah, typical cyclic supercell.
Okay.
Whoa.
Get in.
That one's developing quick.
We haven't had one of those in a long time.
A really long time.
Paul, this is awesome.
Yeah, there it goes.
There she goes. There's the second one.
You are closed.
No, the second one's strengthened a bit.
The first
Yeah,
one.
the second one's coming in.
Yeah,
First
second
one's gone now, isn't it?
Second one's looking more prominent. I can't tell if it's on the ground or not.
It's if it ain't on the ground, it's close.
It's hard to tell.
I haven't seen that in a long time.
Hey Ryan, you have to go on all storm chases now because I've had some bad years since you've been around, and now you come on one day and we get a lot of tornadoes.
What is this? Three?
Probably a trip record almost.
Is this 6?
Might have seen 3, but another trip.
We did see 3 on the one, but they weren't.
Fly off the chair.
Yeah, these is
Yeah, turn to the right.
Couple
There's,
of